Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you are in the habit of adding milk or cream while whisking eggs, you can stop. Now, milk won't make eggs creamier, fluffier, or stretch the dish out. What the milk really does is dilute the flavor of the eggs, making them rubbery, colorless, and something similar to what you would find at a school cafeteria.
Take our lead.
Butter plus milk equals the best scrambled eggs. Have found that butter and dairy make the fluffiest, most luxurious scrambled eggs. The fat in the heavy cream coats proteins in the eggs. This restricts the excess loss of liquid and contributes to fluffier eggs.
Let's help you make your mark.
Step 3. Water or milk. If you like fluffier scrambled eggs, add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of water per egg. If you prefer creamy eggs, add 1 tablespoon of milk for each egg. You'll need a small frying pan to cook your eggs, preferably nonstick.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some Southerners swear by adding a little milk, cheese, or even sour cream to their scrambled eggs to give the dish a delicious finish, but there is one secret ingredient that is sure to result in the fluffiest scrambled eggs you've ever tasted or served. It's water.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.